Welcome everybody once again. We're Spin Rack, and today this is our special hip hop episode.
No, it's not a hip hop episode. It's not a hip hop episode.
We
It's
got
not.
Luke
It's
Cage,
not.
Netflix.
It's not.
We got
It's not.
Gangstar in the background,
No,
baby.
it's not.
I gotta
When did
say-
that happen? No.
I gotta say, baby, this has got one of the biggest and best things that ever to happen to Luke Cage.
You're kidding
Hopefully
me.
he's gonna give the brother some cojones. This is
my
what the
God.
blaxploitation brother was when he came out, and we're gonna pull it for
No, that's not what he. You didn't have hip hop in the
Of
'70s.
course, I'm just trying to bring it. I said blaxploitation.
Blaxploitation was not hip hop.
I know, but I'm just trying to rephrase
He
it.
wasn't blaxploitation either.
Yes, he was. He was a little black.
Yes, of course he
exploitation.
was. Come on with
Even
the
though he had
band.
yellow.
Everybody
No.
knows that.
He was
The
Jim
whole-
Brown.
hold on.
How
Let's-
black
let's-
exploitation can
let's-
you
let's-
get?
hold on
He
a second.
wasn't
Let's-
necessarily, but it
let's
was
roll it
in
back.
that.
That whole yellow and stuff. That's how
The
they
yellow.
dressed.
No,
that
that's-
was the superhero outfit. He had on the
No.
swashbuckling
No, no,
boots.
no.
I agree. That
okay.
you're right, but I'm saying the
Captain
way.
America had those
But they had him
swashbuckling
look
boots.
like Jim Brown.
Yes, he did.
That's
And
black
Jim Brown-
exploitation.
All
He
right.
was Jim Brown.
Once again, everybody,
you don't
welcome
get
to,
no more.
Welcome to Spin Rack. I want to introduce my fellow hosts here. I have Cal. I have PM himself.
Don't cut that
Today
out.
we're going to be. No, we're not cutting it out. I'm just continuing.
Oh, yeah,
you know,
okay.
we just want to show you a little love for our man.
No,
Gangsta
hold
Rap.
on a second. This type of stuff right here scares the crap out of me. Okay?
What this color?
Because
Handling?
this right here starts scaring the crap out of me
Oh,
because it's always the same thing. For some reason, black character has to be
no.
urban setting. Then we gotta slap it with what kind of music should we use for hip hop?
We already did this
Hip-hop!
argument.
There we go. No,
I
man,
totally
that
disagree.
whole segment.
But why
when you
can't
have
it
a
be
white singer,
hip-hop?
have a white
Why
artist
can't
do
it
it,
be
or
I'm
all
not
hip-hop?
talking
of a sudden
about.
say,
I'm not talking
why
about
are they
anybody white.
misappropriating? Why are we
Okay?
misappropriating something?
I'm not talking about anybody.
Why can't it be
Because if you have a
hip-hop?
white character, if you have a white character, they'll use a multitude of settings. They don't care. You have an Asian character, trust me, you're going to see some gung fu, and you'll hear the traditional ding, 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 Chinese
No,
music when
you're
it
not
comes
gonna
on.
hear that.
Yes, you will. Okay, they do it in every freaking advert. This right
tricked
over here
me.
worries me because
You totally
these guys are
tricked
going
me.
gung ho. Okay, that last advert they did for Luke Cage, they're going gung ho over the music more so than, hey, this is a good dynamic story.
The music brings you to the show. Listen,
okay.
all right. So,
I
PM,
just-
what you think?
I just think it's music. I don't have a problem with it. We've already gotten to this argument before.
We're gonna
about
get this
them.
argument again until the show debuts because they
no,
already showed him to be.
That's on my
He
segment.
was
No, you
already
can't
sweet
use
buck.
this on my segment.
He
This
was
is my
already sweet
segment.
bucking on Jessica
No,
Jones,
see,
and now they're gonna come over
cut.
and turn him
We're
to
not
what is it,
doing
to
this
Rakim
anymore.
over here on
We're
his
not
own
doing
show.
this anymore.
let's give PM
We're
a
not
chance.
having any discussion. We're just saying, if we had, what was it a David Gordon Green movie with white people, it would have a ton of hip hop in it.
Yeah.
But we wouldn't call it. It's like, because we know this director, he likes using hip hop. I don't care. It's fine.
Okay.
It's not and he's using Gangstar. If you're using like Biggie or something that's
Yeah, but
right in the public,
isn't RZA in
it's
it?
Gangstar.
Isn't RZA?
What's
in it
wrong
too?
with RZA being there?
I didn't say anything was wrong with RZA. I like RZA. But again, the whole idea is how are they trying to sell this now? Come over here and listen to this, okay? We got RZA. We got Meth. Okay? We got
And
Gangstar
every
over
title
here.
is Gangstar.
No, it's about
It's not
Luke
everything.
Cage. It's not about hip hop. It's about Luke Cage.
This is the
Cage,
backdrop.
I'm
The
just saying,
music
this
is just the backdrop of it.
Was
It's
the
not
music
the-
was the music any backdrop for Daredevil or for Jessica Jones?
This is a different take. A different take.
What's the different take?
This is a different take on the
Let me guess. Does the
No.
different take have
Okay.
anything to
You're
do with him
saying-
being black? Does that
You
have
know
anything
what?
to do with this different
I
take?
totally disagree, and I take offense to that. You know why? The showrunner on this guy is the guy. What's his name? Chow. I think it says Coulter. He's the guy who did the notorious B.I.G. movie. Okay, he's the guy who did the book on B.I.G. And he's been a writer out there for many years.
So we see where his pedigree
so
is.
I'm saying, so we see someone, and he's represented. I don't see a problem with that.
Luke
You know what I'm
Cage
trying to
is
say?
not a hip hop character.
I think if Luke
you want
Cage
to
was
throw
done, I
one or
think
two
Luke
hip hop
Cage-
songs
Well,
in
I
there?
think
they
Luke Cage-
changed
if
them
he's
now.
now-
If you
if
look
he's
at
now-
that, what's it, Azarello?
No, you're talking. No, Azarello's thing was a piece of crap, and you know it.
Azarello,
Well, if
If
that's
you want
the
Corbin
case,
to
Art-
anything, go read
What is it?
Azarello's Cage, and then you can take offense to something.
I
They
would
drew
take
him like he
offense
was
to
a
that.
freaking
But
ape.
what's his name? No, it still was it. Corbin. That's a great artist, even though he was doing some wacky stuff with
He
Luke
looked
Cage.
like he looked like a
I like
he looked
that
like a
guy's art.
cornrowed ape in that thing. The way they drew him,
my
man.
God. But that guy
was horrible.
draws everyone like like an ape. At
I don't
least.
care about everyone. I'm talking about Luke
He
Cage.
draws everyone
okay?
like that.
Look,
If he draws everyone like that, you can't necessarily.
you cannot overlook.
Thank
okay?
you.
If you don't
Thank
even have
you.
the slightest bit of trepidation about this, once you start seeing them marry him to these particular trophies that are always being married to these type of characters who happen to be black, then I don't know what
Always.
you're
What are you
doing.
talking about like Ice Cube?
I'm talking about simple shows where you see the black character come on and for some reason they got to play bass.
What show is
Boom,
that?
boom, boom, boom,
No, what show is this?
Doom, 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 doom.
What show is
Come
this?
on.
Actually,
You talking about,
I think I
we're not
disagree
talking
with
about
you.
Black Dynamite. Black Dynamite, and then you know what? It
Any
makes sense
show.
now because it have Dynamite. You walk in the room, Dynamite. Come on, it works. It
Yeah,
works.
because that character is a black exploitation character.
That's right.
That's part of the whole thing. Luke Cage is not.
Black
Luke Cage-
exploitation is not hip hop.
When you
I'm
think,
not saying
okay,
it is, but what I'm saying is
when you
that
think
if
Luke
you're
Cage,
right now,
when you
what
think Luke Cage, tell me what comes to your mind for it first.
The first thing I think is
Like-
Not
headbands,
you, not you,
headbands.
not you, big business. I'm
I
talking
think
Petey.
of Jim Brown. I think of the classic Luke Cage with the outfit.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
People say I like that. I call it the head. It's a headband, not a tiara, but it's a headband.
Who
I think
calls
of
it
the
tiara?
Everyone I argue with,
It's a tiara.
It's,
It's
not a
It's
tiara.
a
It's a headband.
Yeah, yeah, that chain is a belt. Okay, all right.
What is it?
It's a chain belt.
I think
It's a
somewhat.
symbol
I
of
think
him
some
freeing
black
himself from
exploitation
oppression.
because he
He
looks
needs
like
to hold his pants up, bro. Come on.
he does not. It's just a weird. It's just they just designed it in there.
Look,
I
that
think that
outfit-
he's like a black exploitation
that outfit
character.
right. No, it wasn't even because that outfit was part of the outfit. What I loved about
It
the
is a
outfit,
superhero outfit.
it was part of the character because Luke Cage. If you read, you've never read an issue
I've
of Luke
read
Cage.
a couple of issues of Luke Cage.
Which
no
one?
lie.
Which one?
I'm not gonna remember all.
He
of them.
read some. No, he probably read
I
Luke
some
Cage. He
when
just
I was
doesn't
younger, yeah,
remember it.
exactly.
Here's the
So-
deal. We get
and-
Luke Cage 1. We get Luke Cage 1. Sorry for that. We get Luke Cage 1. Okay, in Luke Cage 1, they deal with all of the racist stuff that they have to deal with. He's in prison. Okay, he's got the racist prison guard who's giving him a hard time. And then that guy's actually responsible for him getting his powers. But he's trying to he's trying to kill him. While the experiment is going on, Luke Cage comes out. First thing is, I'm out of here. Okay, breaks free. All right, he's done with Kenyatta's last hit. After that, okay, he does the whole turn. He's more of a, for me, he's more like more of a Mickey Spillane type hero.
yeah, well, then you have
because
to
he comes over and he's like, look, I got all these powers and such. What can I do? I'm gonna make money. Okay, I'm gonna make money. What's the quickest way for me to do it? I'm gonna become a superhero if you've got the right amount of money. So he just cobbles together what he thinks a superhero should look like. He doesn't really give a damn. And then he's like, okay, his calling card is steel hard skin. I'm gonna punch my way out of any particular problem. By by issue 8, he had already gone to Latveria because somebody had hired him to go and take on Dr. Doom. That's what I always think of. He's more of he's not a blaxploitation character. He's more in the
That's
vein
a
of
little
that
Shaft,
same.
though.
He's more in the
Shaft
vein.
as a
kinda
hero.
disagree.
He's more in the
I
vein
kinda-
of that pulp hero. You give him some superpowers, okay, and then of course he's still a man on the run, okay.
But he's a little shaft.
The cops are still
A
after
lot
him.
of shaft. I don't
It's
think
a
it's a
little
little
shaft.
Yeah,
shaft.
because
Yeah.
because you're focusing on what? The fact that he's black.
No, the fact that you
I
said
mean,
that he's
I
taking
said
on
Mickey Spillane,
jobs.
You guys are saying shaft.
All right, you know what?
I'm saying-
we're not going to get anywhere with this. Clearly,
No,
someone
we've
doesn't-
done.
No, no,
wait,
no,
wait,
we're not
wait,
done.
wait,
We're
wait.
not
wait.
done.
not going to agree. Once
No,
again,
we're not done.
I'm saying with that part that you were talking about is right. Everything about his history is that. But at the same time, I always have the issue when I found out, like, oh, I want to read Luke Cage and Spider-Man, and Stan Lee has a reaction to this guy taking money for doing superheroing. And Spider-Man's just batting around a steel hard guy throughout the comic. Steel hard. Spider-Man's supposed to hurt his hand punching the Hulk. This guy is steel hard.
Harder.
And it's like he's just batting around him. Obviously the speed, yes. But he shouldn't be able to punch him, like saying, oh, Stan is like, well, I'm,
Stan's like Spider-Man.
yeah, so it's like that sort of thing. So it was kind of a bad intro, and then slowly they start to build this character back up. Now, what my problem was not having him look like Jim Brown, not having him have. I mean, he looks more like the character that he's been re-envisioned in the Marvel universe, but
They could put him in a better hood. The hood is supposed to actually be trying to hide your face, not look more like for style.
I don't want a hood. I want
I
want
If you're
something
gonna put him
close.
in a hood, put him in a good one. I don't want it, but if you're gonna put him in a hood, put him in a good one.
Doesn't work for
Not like,
me.
okay, I got this from the Gap, and can turn. Let's see the logo. Okay, we got it. No,
Well, he's
when
gonna
I
get
think
new
of Luke,
clothes every time he gets shot.
when I think of
right?
Luke Cage, okay, Luke Cage was not this guy who was going around the neighborhood helping people. Luke Cage was like, oh, you got a problem? Hey, I can help you out with that. If you've got the money, okay, if you've got the money, he's a hero for hire, and that was part of
Well, it's a great title.
that was part of the
It's a great
drama
title.
of the character. It was also part of the comedy too, because Luke would come over and like, hey, he would come over, end up helping someone, and then be pissed off about it. Everybody be like, oh, great, this is helping. I'm so glad you. He's angry about it. He's like, man, I did this for free. He's like, when do I get paid for this type of stuff? That was at least in the basic origin of the character, those early stories, and that made for some really good reading. There could be a supervillain terrorizing the place, and Luke was like, I don't know if I should do this. What about my bottom line? I need to get paid. made. And it made sense because Luke was still on the run. He had escaped prison.
Yeah.
Right.
He was still trying to clear his name. I don't see any of that when I look
Well,
at this. And then
We
tell me
haven't-
about the hip hop.
We haven't seen it. The hip hop is just a major. People are just picking up on it because the music. The music definitely moves us. Okay, I think as we go more into it, as it goes more into the episode, we'll see more and more.
Well-
I mean, right now they haven't developed that he's doing anything other than.
Do you
just
honestly
stopping
think we're going to see that? Any of those type of elements of his origin?
I think superhero for hire is going to have to come.
Hero
up
for
sooner.
hire. Hero for hire.
Yeah, superhero for hire.
Hero for hire.
Is going to have to come up sooner rather than later. But
I think they
a different
show-
character. I don't think this is the character you're thinking the same type of Luke Cage as before.
They having him go through the whole thing. They're going through. We've seen in the other trailers that he goes through the change. He has a phony
Tiara?
headband on, and he has
It's okay, just say tiara.
armbands and whatnot. So it's like I'm not sure they should have went that route if they're not going to give us the real guy. But at the same time, I'm going to go back to Shaft. Is Shaft not a Pope character? If you pull down all of
Okay.
So
yeah, all right, he's the PI. He's the PI. I'll give you okay.
all right. So anyway, and then I'll have to concede. They have been showing a lot of music stuff, less plot stuff.
Right.
I can't disagree with that part where we should be seeing more plot. If we were seeing plot stuff, and then or later on saying this is the music to it, this is the music we did, and these are artists. They're selling like, look, we got was it
Meth.
Ali? We got Matt. We got all these
We got
characters.
Meth. We got RZA.
And then it wasn't the guy from what's the name? It was Ali, Shaheed
Oh,
Muhammad.
from Tribe Called Quest?
Yeah,
he
he's in there too. So it's like what I'm saying. It's Ali Shaheed Muhammad. He wouldn't play that stuff. I mean, he's not the guy that gets loud, but he looks serious. So I don't think he would play
I
that.
want the show. I really, from the bottom of my heart, I want to watch this show and I
don't
want to
know.
enjoy this show.
We all remember your comments.
Okay, I
We
want
know
to
your
enjoy
comments.
this show. That's why I'm being so bleeding critical of it. And I've already been on record. I hated how he was portrayed in Jessica Jones. So for me, the only thing I have to go with now is how I was saw in Jessica Jones. I was like, that's not Luke Cage. Okay, that is not Luke Cage.
So
That
make
is
it
a
Luke
supporting.
Cage.
That is a supporting. I already said. Okay. That is a supporting character, and they're piggybacking off her show. I was like, you guys did this all wrong. And then you can go with the whole thing, Daughters of the Dragon and such. I don't know how Jessica Jones got even slotted into this, but fine.
agree.
That's what happened. Now I'm looking for Luke Cage, and I'm like, literally, fingers and toes crossed. I really want to enjoy this. So I'm going to be hypercritical leading up to it. That first episode has to really punch and hit out of the park for me. Because if not, I'll be like, well, damn it. You understand, if Luke Cage doesn't really sell, you mess up the whole dynamic with Power Man and Iron Fist. Any chance of like the whole Heroes for Hire bringing in Daughters of the Dragon, Shang-Chi, you mess all of that up if this character over here is not on point.
Totally
and then
disagree.
the only Luke
Totally
Cage,
disagree.
and then the only Power Man and Iron Fist we're going to have for the rest of our lives is going to be Street Justice with Carl Weathers and that other dude.
Oh man,
Which wasn't bad.
I gotta go back.
Carl
We gotta go
Weathers.
back to
Lord,
that.
such
See
a
how bad it
Republican.
was.
I like Carl Weathers.
Street Justice.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey, everybody loves Carl Weathers. Everybody who watched that show said the same thing. You watched one episode, two episodes, after about 3 or 4, you're like, hey, this is Power Man and Iron Fist.
I gotta check that out again.
Everybody remembered that too. Everybody's like, yeah. Everybody's watching Street Justice to see if one day Carl Weathers was gonna get steel hard skin. Okay, that is Power Man and Iron Fist. Okay, I would love to see if they actually make a reference to the show at
was
some
crazy.
point. That would be really good because anybody who ever saw the show and read the comic, like, hey, that's Power Man and Iron Fist. You got the really big, strong black dude, and you got the white guy who's a martial artist. Okay, Power Man and Iron Fist. But hey,
Yeah.
I just really want the show to be good. And when I see this type of stuff, when it looks like they're starting to pigeonhole them or they're trying to funnel them in, and we know why they do this because they're doing the whole demographic thing and they're thinking, okay, this is the best way for us to make this show a hit, to make the money. These are what the numbers. Like, no, tell the Luke Cage story. Luke Cage is a really good character in spite of the fact that he has probably some of the most limited powers of any superhero that I have ever seen. And look, Superman. All the time, every single day. And I still love this character because of all the different elements they were able to pull into it. But I'm not seeing that. I really don't care about hearing more music from RZA, even though I really like RZA.
Don't.
Okay,
Now
look,
that-
I think you're being hypercritical.
I already said I was.
Okay, so, and because of that, it's clouding your vision of what could possibly be. We haven't seen enough of the story to make a good determination of which way it's going to go. We've only seen the character in Jessica Jones and the positions that he's been put in. This is not the classic, right?
You say this every time,
you know
though.
what I'm trying to say?
And
So-
then when it
so, but
sucks,
let's
you try to pull more stuff out of your rectum
Are we
in
talking
order to
about
cover
just
it
like
up.
Suicide Squad, which is going to hit?
Wait,
700
no,
million?
we're not doing any
Okay.
Suicide
No, we're not talking about
stuff. We're not
Suicide
doing that at
So
all.
I'm just trying to say you can definitely be off the rails sometimes with your opinions. And
Yeah, but it's not about me.
I think you're going to be wrong.
It's
Once
not
again,
about
you know, you're going to get shut down. Boom, 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 bazooka, bah! You know, you're dead. This is going to be a big hit. What do you think, PM? Hit or not?
Hey, don't try to turn this into something, okay? My criticisms are because I want the show to be good. If the show is good, no problem. Don't come back here later and talk, oh, you said it was going to suck. No. Being critical now because at this point, they're
Hypercritical.
not, yes, hypercritical, because they're not showing me anything to change my mind about it.
But you haven't seen anything to say.
Doesn't matter.
Just give it a
I can
chance.
still
Just go with
make
the flow.
comments. I can still comment, and I can still make criticism based on what they're showing, and they're showing it because they want me to watch it. So since that's the procedure, I have every right to be critical, hypercritical, apathetic, whatever it is that these things bring to me. And my biggest concern is that they funnel him or they push him into this category where he's the urban black hero with a hip hop soundtrack, and that's not Luke Cage. Luke Cage is a much more expansive character than that if you've read the comics.
I think Luke Cage is
Well,
more than that.
I don't think hip hop is limiting, but we've done 2 episodes on this, on the music, and regretfully, I'm on the fence now. I was
What?
okay with it, but they did do another whole 2-minute thing on music rather than story. Not that they should show us the story because we want to be surprised, but then none of the other superheroes have done an expose on the music.
They're doing something different. It doesn't have to follow the
No,
same
they
format.
did it
You know what I'm
before,
trying to
so I didn't want to do this. I already argued for it, and now I'm on the fence. I'm not giving in
Oh, my
completely. though.
gosh.
I'm not going.
You're
all
turning
way.
to the dark side.
All you
once
need
again,
to
huh?
do, just show me a trailer. Show me a trailer that's stronger on the story, okay? That shows me you're going to have the same commitment to story that you had with Daredevil season 1 and season 2, and I'm there. Okay.
What about when he comes out of the vat and he has that? What did you feel about that trailer?
But those are easy. Those are just literally. That's just like sight image. That's just like some quick sight scenes. Okay, what happened here? I need to see something, plot-wise, character-wise, and you can do that in a few seconds.
Well, you're saying because it was bad in Jessica Jones, you need to see a better trailer.
If he's going to be the same guy in Jessica Jones, wait till we do those shows. Okay, if you thought those shows last time were bad,
I don't know if
wait
I
till you
can
see the
do
new
I
that.
thought
ones.
Jessica Jones
We
was pretty
need-
good. I think they were very successful in what they did.
You
I think
don't
it was
care as long as he was getting
With some
sex.
good
You were
scenes.
happy. That's all you cared
Some
about.
good
No,
scenes.
not at all. Didn't do anything in that show except get. He was always on his back.
But he was being satisfied.
He was satisfying her.
He was keeping the
No,
other
she's
character
more-
He was the feminist boy toy.
Jesus.
She's I don't know how to say this without getting in trouble with.
Don't say it if you don't want to get in trouble.
I'm only in trouble with you. I'm only worried about you, not the rest of America. I can say you're going to tell me to cut it out. So, all right. So I'm upset that now I'm on the fence, whereas before I was for it. I liked the idea of Gangstar, this, that, and the other. But then now doing the expose, you guys might have went too far, and now I'm going back to me wanting Jim Brown as Luke Cage, and then it completely changes the whole sex with Jessica Jones because I think I can say this: Jim Brown was doing some real action in those movies. He doesn't know how to do love scenes. So like Raquel Welch was like, no, Jim Brown isn't because most guys are kind of soft and this and that. Jim Brown is not that. So when we had these love scenes, he's trying to go for it. He's being a man about it. And there's some feminine quality. There's no feminine quality to Jim Brown.
No.
Jim Brown is the original football player. That's my Luke Cage.
Oh, I still haven't seen my Luke Cage yet, but this is the guy I'll be watching. But I don't know, man. I am concerned.
Who's your casting for it? Don't say an Avery Brown's looking guy like Avery Brooks guy like that. Who's your perfect casted Luke Cage?
Man, the only person I could have seen playing him was Michael Jai White, who was in Black Dynamite. I would have casted him, but I would have casted him years ago. I don't know if he would really fit the role right now.
But he's still in shape though.
I know. I just don't know. I don't know if I would see him for the role right now. And to be honest, it's a hard role to cast because usually the actors that are being presented, a lot of them don't necessarily have the physical presence, the height, the build for Luke Cage.
Yeah.
So that's a bit tougher. I don't even think Coulter. I think his voice. I think he has a very, very demonstrative voice that comes across very, very well. But in terms of his physical appearance, his buffness, doesn't really come across as Luke Cage to me. So he's really got to sell it. And you're not going to sell it to me with a good soundtrack. You're just not.
Ding, 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 ding. Sorry. That's it, guys. What do you think about it? Who was your Luke Cage? Do you remember who Luke Cage was in the comic books?
Who I would have thought was the brother, I forgot the guy's name, who Michael Johnson, I'm not sure his name. He died a couple of years ago. He was engaged to Omarosa. He was in
Michael Clark Duncan?
Yeah, Michael Clark Duncan.
Oh,
No.
A younger version of him. You
No,
know what I'm
very
saying?
young.
Not even
High
the younger
school.
version.
I just thought that he had a swagger about him that he could have pulled it off.
No.
You know? And he
No,
had that
he's
tough
just,
guy.
no, he's like, more like Rage. More like Rage.
Rage is
No,
young.
I don't
Rage
think
is
it's
young.
like Rage.
He could be like the Rage, what Rage changes into when he says the word or something. He's just like, Luke Cage, I mean, he's bigger than actually, I mean, what was he, like 6'4" or something? And he was easily like 240, 250. You know, he would be bigger than Luke Cage would actually be. Luke Cage would be at least 2 inches smaller and about 30 pounds.
Right, but you
30
can
pounds less.
play with that. I just think that he just gave the presence. Like, you know, I could see him, the type of actor that he was, you know, to play the role.
I think
He's
his
smooth.
physical presence overwhelms a lot of
And his
everything
voice,
else.
And his voice.
Everything else. I mean, I thought his best film was The Green Mile, where because they played against Typeform, because he was this giant guy, but he was acting very, very small, very soft, you know, very, you know, trying to just be, you know, as small and as innocuous as possible. But everything else, as soon as he steps in, before he even says a word, you can like you feel the guy as soon as he comes in the room.
But don't you feel that? That's how I feel about
Luke Cage has a Luke Cage
You
is
know,
not
he's
so
a
much
presence
the
who comes-
physical stuff about Luke Cage is cool, but Luke Cage's personality is what really gets you in there. You read the whole book hoping just once he's going to say "Sweet Christmas" because it's funny. It's funny.
But don't
funny
you
as
think
all
Michael
hell.
Clark Duncan could have said the same thing too? I think when
Michael Dargo,
he just-
"Sweet Christmas."
Okay, I guess we have to.
Sweet. No, it's
Oh,
just totally. I
God.
mean, there are other roles I would have loved to have seen him in if he ever, you know, if he was still living now. I mean, he got to play the Kingpin in the Daredevil movie, so he already got his feet wet with some Marvel characters. You know, God rest his soul. But Luke Cage, now, I mean, it's not easy. It's not an easy role to plug into. It's not. I thought they did a really good job getting T'Challa out. Okay, with and
I thought they did a good job too.
and I cannot remember this guy's name. I wish I could right now. But I thought same guy who played Jackie Robinson.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Played James Brown, and I can't remember his name. I can't remember his name right now, but I thought they got a really good fit for him because T'Challa is a bit more malleable, one, and two, that guy's a good actor.
He is.
He's a good actor. So they did a really good job there. Luke Cage, you know, Luke Cage is something where it's like a very, very specific thing, an image in my head, and it's still not one that I could easily translate or tell people about. So there you go there.
So my take on this is that it's going to be a hit. It's dropping September 30th.
Right,
The music's going to be
that's it.
hot. The Gangstar
Cut.
titles are going to be hot.
Cut.
We're going to be off
This
the
is like
hook.
if
See
we
it,
can have
guys.
a different
Back it.
end.
Support it.
Okay,
Booyaka.
I understand.
Spin
You
it
put
right
A
out.
different end from him.
You
if
put out a
we could
resume.
ever.
You put out a resume to Disney too. Okay. Okay.